Welcome to Vlogmas. This is the first vlog for Vlogmas. Today is Sunday, December 1st. We're in the bathroom because I just got out of the shower. Your girl worked today 7 to 4. I was trying to match and do the top with the pants, but I can't find the pants, y'all. I really don't know where they are. So we have the Christmas top and, you know, trying to be in Christmas spirit. And then also, hold on. Socks, get into them. Yes. So we have a lot to do. This is going to be a Sunday reset. You guys are having a great Sunday and I hope that you had a great Thanksgiving. November is gone. Welcome to December. Let's go ahead and get into the vlog. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're an OG, welcome to Freakback. So it just so happens to be the next day because your girl got tired after all the laundry. I have to admit, I did put back on the same jammies. No judgment zone. But we're going to go ahead and meal prep because that's what I really need to do. I'm going to meal prep dinner and lunch. Lunch is going to be like turkey wraps, and then dinner is going to be chicken, mashed potatoes, and green beans. So I kind of need to get that going now. I got off from work. It's 6:09, so I kind of took like an hour break to just like relax at home. And it's time to get this done. I really want to be done cooking in like an hour and a half. An hour. I want to be done in an hour because what's going to take the longest is, I don't know, I'm going to bake the chicken. So I don't know. Nothing really should take that long. So I want to be done with like prepping and everything in an hour. And then like whatever's cooking in the oven, which is just the chicken, is just going to be cooking in the oven. But yeah, those are the goals. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Okay, we're gonna preheat the oven to 375. My battery died, but I got the chicken cooking. Y'all, it looks so good. And next, I got the water boiling because we're gonna put the potatoes in there to make mashed potatoes. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. Okay, so it's time to take the chicken out. But it's onions on top that I like caramelized in the like juice from the pan. Right. New ornaments this year, but mostly all the ornaments are like ones that I've had over the years. So like this I've had, these are new. I got these from my job. They like had a lot of ornaments and they were donating some. So I got that one. I got these. These are so pretty. These I've had. This I've had. It's my husband's. He loves basketball. Got these today. R for Russ. J for Jonathan, my husband. This is from The Office, World's Best Boss for me. D for me. And then we have a Black Panther. So yeah, I kind of got like the same ornaments every year and I've added a couple. But I need to get new ornaments. I say that every year and it's just kind of like, oh, this is the Christmas tree. Okay, so I did do some Black Friday shopping. I don't think this is everything though. I ordered 3 things off of Amazon, so I didn't go too crazy. Let me see what this is. Something I really needed, or we really needed. A knife set. Yes, I have reached adulthood where like my excitement is ordering kitchen stuff. I'm so excited. We need a knife set so bad. We literally have 2 knives, and one of the knives like keeps sliding out of the actual like holder knife part. So ghetto. Anyways, so glad we got a knife set. Like, we needed one so freaking bad, y'all. So let's open it up. It's gonna have pretty good reviews. I'll put the link down below. It's called Bruin. It comes with a chef knife, bread knife, Santoku knife, utility knife, paring knife, kitchen scissors, and a knife block. So 7 pieces. Even cooking is like so hard because you're trying to dice up stuff and like you don't have the proper utensils and stuff. Here's the knife. This is a nice long knife. This is the slicing knife, and it comes with the tip on it, but I heard just from reading the reviews that these knives are very, very sharp. We gotta be careful, but I'm really excited because like I want to get into my cooking bag, and every time I want to like vlog, okay, so I've been wanting to do like TikToks where, you know, I cook and stuff, but every single time I want to do a TikTok of cooking, I be looking at like the knives they use, and I'm like, I really need a knife set. Like, bro, I can barely even chop freaking onions because my knives are just so horrible. Oop, little handler thing came off that one. I am gonna wash them before I use them, of course. I'm just trying to see, like, Santoku knife. These are really nice. Like, I feel like an adult. Look at that. This is the chef knife. So yeah, this, let me move all this stuff out the way. This is our knife set. Isn't it sleek and it's cute and it's all black? I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is one of the items. So as like Vlogmas keeps going, you'll see the other two things that I got. It's nothing too crazy, but it's something I needed so that I can be a better human and so that I can just be more prepared overall in life. Like the knife set. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. If you did, leave a heart emoji. If you're an OG, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Bye.